good? It's your boy 20. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get y'all clips from the PlayStation onto your phones so you can edit them from looking like this to looking like that, a mobile friendly version that you can upload straight to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The first step in this whole process is to actually get your clips uploaded to YouTube. On the PS4, all you have to do is go to your media gallery, hover over the clip you want to upload, and click the share button. Since you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and assume you already have an account. Once you have your PlayStation linked to your YouTube account, you should be able to go to a screen like this, scroll all the way down to where you see privacy, and then click on unlisted. Keep scrolling down, and then it should give you the option to share. Click on that, and once you have the added to uploads pop up, you're good to go. It's a very similar process on the PS5. You just want to head over to your media gallery again. Go ahead and click on the clip that you want to upload. Press down so you can pop the menu up. Scroll on over to share. Click on YouTube. Go down to where you see privacy settings and set it on unlisted. And after that, just click on upload. The next step is just to open up the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on the library button in the bottom right corner. Click on your videos and then click on the video that you want to download. Tap the share button right there in the middle and click on copy link. From there, the next step is just to open up your internet browser on your phone. Search up YT1S. It should be the first website that pops up. And you just want to paste your YouTube link right above where it says convert. Go ahead and tap on MP4 video, scroll down to 1080p and click get link. Click download and it should give you a pop-up. Just go back to the other tab you're just at and hit download. In the top right corner, you're going to see an arrow loading. Once it's done, just tap on it. Click on the video at the very top. Tap on the box in the bottom left corner and then click on save video. This is the app that I'm going to be using today to edit the video. Once you have it downloaded, just open it up and click on new project. Select the video that you want to edit and in the bottom right corner, click on add. From here, you want to scroll to the right until you see the format option. And you're going to want to click on 9:16. It's going to turn it into a mobile friendly version and looks so much better when viewing from a phone. Right next to format, there's a canvas option. Click on that, then tap on blur. I normally go for the second one, but you can choose whatever you feel looks best. Now you're going to want to click on your video, pinch two fingers together and spread them apart so you can zoom in, just like this. With the Capcut app, you could add a whole bunch of stuff to the screen like GIFs, stickers, text. If you guys want an in-depth video on how I edit my TikToks and YouTube Shorts, just let me know. But for now, let's just say that I only wanted to add this text to the screen and download it. Now all you want to do is tap on the arrow in the top right corner. Leave the resolution at 1080p, but slide the frame rate all the way to 60. And tap on the arrow in the top right corner again to begin exporting your video into your photo gallery. Once it hits 100%, you're good to go. I put a lot of time and effort into making this video, so if it helped you out in any way, I'd greatly appreciate a like, comment, and sub. I'm gonna keep trying to push these tutorials out, so stay tuned. It's been your boy Clip, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.